Hi, wonderful friends. Today I'm excited to introduce you to Doymaj, a delightful Iranian snack or afternoon treat that's popular during the summertime. And what makes this snack unique is that it needs no cooking. Can you believe? Imagine crispy bread tossed with fresh aromatic herbs, crunchy walnuts, and cheese, all coming together in every bite. Doymaj is the perfect choice for a light supper or a flavorful snack to enjoy anytime and share with loved ones. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. 200 gram fresh herbs. The herbs I used in this recipe are all part of sabzi khordan, the fresh greens that Iranians traditionally enjoy raw alongside their meals. My selection included dill, parsley, mint or basil, spring onions, chives, cucumber, and coriander leaves. 150 gram feta cheese. 300 gram lavash or tortillas bread, depending on the specific weight of each tortilla. 100 gram butter, 1 tablespoon dried mint, and 1 tablespoon dried tarragon. Salt and pepper to taste. And 1 cup chopped walnuts. Rinse the herbs under cold running water to remove any dirt and let them dry completely on a clean kitchen towel. Once dry, carefully strip the leaves from the stems. Once your herbs are perfectly dry, gather them up and finely chop them into little green confetti and set them aside. Perfect. Finely dice 1 medium cucumber as shown in the video. Then add salt and pepper and stir to combine. If you're using tortillas, place them in the oven at 100 degrees centigrade or 212 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until they become completely dry and crispy. But if you already have crispy bread, you can skip this step and move on to the next part. Okay, start by selecting a large mixing bowl and placing it on your work surface to give yourself plenty of room for mixing later. Take your crispy bread and using your hands gently break it into small bite-sized pieces and let the pieces fall directly into the bowl. Continue until all the bread is evenly crumbled and ready to be combined with the other ingredients. Okay, gradually sprinkle water over the bread. I add half a cup of water, but depending on the type of bread, you may need more or less than half a cup of water. Keep tossing it with your hand until it starts to stick together when you press it in the palm of your hand. It should stay light and not become soggy. Let it soak for half an hour. Perfect. After half an hour, when the bread has become perfectly soft and moist, it's time to add the finely chopped herbs. And if you know how much the fragrance of these fresh herbs is delightful. Next, add dried mint and tarragon, finely chopped cucumber, crumbled feta cheese, and chopped walnuts. Now mix completely until all the ingredients are well combined. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the doymaj rest for 1 hour so the flavors can meld and the mixture achieves the perfect consistency. Okay, now it's time to melt 100 gram of butter and pour it over the doymaj after it has rested for an hour. Give everything a good stir to combine all the ingredients evenly. Just like this. There are 2 ways you can serve this refreshing dish. The first way is simple. Just spoon it onto a plate and enjoy it. For the second way, you can use an ice cream scoop to shape the mixture easily, or if you prefer, just take a bit of the mixture and shape it by hand into round balls. Repeat this process with the remaining mixture until all the doymaj is shaped. And finally, top your doymaj with fried onions and enjoy every bite. Nusha Jan. Now time to eat this. Mmm, so good.